Wow, that was a bit of a surprise. There's a species that I wasn't expecting to see up here. It hadn't even crossed my mind that they would be here. Good afternoon. Today I ventured up onto Bodmin Moor. Just a short drive from where I live, but I haven't been up here with my camera for such a long time. So I just thought I'd come up and have a walk about and see what we can find. Just want to get out in this glorious sunshine. So the plan is, I'm going to do a bit of a circular route, and if I see anything on the way around, then just stop off, get some cover and see how close we can get and get some nice photos. But I'm kind of relying on finding something a little bit later in the walk, when that sun's a bit lower, and we're sort of more into golden hour. It's very harsh at the moment. But yeah, let's get on. So I've changed location, mainly because I was hungry and wanted to pop to the shop to grab a snack. But just as I was getting back to the car, I did see a male Wheatear. It was quite a way off, but I managed to get a couple of shots off. I think possibly I may have seen a black Redstart, but I couldn't say for certain. Certainly didn't get any photos or footage. So I've just changed location, and it's a little less windy up here, which is nice. And that sun's getting a bit low and that light's getting a bit softer. So yeah, now's the sort of time I want to start seeing things. So let's keep everything crossed. So I've just spotted today's target species, but unfortunately it was a little bit too late. However, I've just sat myself down out of sight and I'm hoping it's going to come back. But I've just seen my second male wheatear of the year. So yeah, fingers crossed it comes back onto this wall and I can get some photos. Yes, it came back. Managed to get a few snaps, a little bit of footage. I'm going to sit it out a little bit longer, see if it comes back again. And, but yeah, mission complete. I'm very happy. It's been quite a quiet walk today, but that sun's nice and low now, the light's nice and soft. And we've got a male wheatear, so yeah, well worth the effort. Still got a little bit of a walk back to the car, so I'm going to walk down this wall and see if there's any more. And yeah, go from there. I don't know if you can hear that, but the skylarks, there's so many about at the moment, which is really nice to see because they do struggle with loss of habitat. Oh, fantastic. What a great end to a walk. Wow, that was a bit of a surprise. There's a species that I wasn't expecting to see up here. Well, it's a place you expect to see them, but it hadn't even crossed my mind that they would be here. So, very pleased with that. Just managed to get a few photos of a yellowhammer. I've seen at least 3 up here calling. That's not 3, that's 3. So, yeah, there's a few about. And they look absolutely stunning in this evening light. The first one I saw, it was from quite a distance away and it almost looked like the whole thing was yellow. And I thought it was an escapee budgie or something at first, but I slowly crept closer and yeah, sure enough, yellowhammer. That one flew off, but I could hear 2 more calling in the distance, so I went over that way. And yeah, 2 more over there. Another one down here in front of me. I've definitely seen 3. Possibly 4. Yeah. Well, something else just landed in the tree in front of me. Bear with me. I don't know if you can hear all that, but it's just come alive with birdsong in this last sort of 20 minutes, half an hour. The sun's just going down behind me. I've seen about 12 yellowhammers now, stonechats, linnets, wheatear. It's just been absolutely fantastic in this last sort of 15 minutes. So yeah, stunning. I'm going to see if I can get a little bit more footage before this light goes. There's a linnet right in front of me, and then be calling it a day and heading home. But I love these little impromptu trips out. Just came out with no goals other than to see a wheatear, and I've managed to get some lovely photos of the linnet, the yellowhammer and the wheatear. So yeah, fantastic. This is what it's all about. Oh, love it, absolutely love it. That was amazing, absolutely awesome. There's a couple of yellowhammers not too far away, so I just sort of nestled into the gorse and stood still. And one of them came so close, probably 10 feet away. Managed to get some nice video and some nice photos. And then as I decided to leave that one alone, I just ducked down and crept away. I walked around the corner, there was another one. And that one seemed really curious about me and was just stood there watching me. And again, only about 12 foot away. Oh, I've never been this close to yellowhammers before in my life. What an experience. Absolutely fantastic. I am over the moon. What started out as just a quick trip just to see if I could see a wheatear and possibly maybe hear an early cuckoo has turned into an absolutely fantastic trip. Photos of species I've never managed to photograph before, so, well, not decent photographs anyway. So yeah, it's probably quite a short video this one, but yeah, absolutely amazing. I know I keep saying amazing, but it was amazing. I don't know if you can hear it, it's just alive. It's too dark now, you can't tell on here, but even at 200th of a second I'm shooting at ISO of 12,800, so yeah, time to get home and see what I've got. I would like to take this opportunity though to say thank you to each and every one of my supporters. We've just gone over 400 subscribers now. I've had some really lovely messages and some nice comments on the videos, and it really does mean the world to me. I work one full-time job and two part-time jobs, as well as trying to do a YouTube channel, so yeah, it takes a lot of effort, but I'm absolutely loving it, and I'm loving the responses I'm getting. So yeah, I hope that someday in the future I can do this a little bit more full-time, but until then I'll keep doing the best I can. And yeah, let me know in the description below if there's anything you want to see, anywhere you want me to go. I'm up for travelling all over the UK, so yeah, drop a comment below, let me know what you want to see. And in the meantime, thanks again for watching. If you've not subscribed, please do, and yeah, hit that thumbs up button if you like the video. Until the next one, take care.